Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can get around the BitLocker recovery key issue in Windows. First things first, turn your computer off and back on again. I know it sounds simple, but sometimes weird glitches happen during startup, and a quick reboot is all it takes to make that BitLocker recovery screen disappear. If that doesn't work, here's the catch. Microsoft really wants you to use a Microsoft account. And one of the reasons is that they automatically back up your BitLocker recovery key there. Even if you don't remember setting it up, chances are your key is waiting for you in that account. Grab another computer, open a web browser, and head over to this site. Sign in with your Microsoft account, and once you are in, look for your recovery key. It's a long 48-digit number. Copy it down or take a picture and enter it in the recovery session. If that doesn't work out, then check out the last mentor. If you have your recovery key stored on your device but can't remember it, here's how to find it. Simply go to your Startup Repair screen. From here, select Advanced Options. Choose Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options again. Click on Command Prompt. Since you don't know your recovery key, click Skip this draft. Tap Reg Edit and press Enter. In the Registry Editor, highlight the HKey local machine. Then go to the File tab and select Low Hive. Simply click on this PC. Choose the drive where your recovery data is stored. In my case, it's on D drive. Find the recovery key file, right-click it, and select Edit. If you don't see Edit, then go to Properties. You will see this pop-up window. At the end of the file name, just add .bat. Then hit OK. Now just get out of this drive. When you get back into the D drive, you will see a new tab of file. Right-click on it, then hit Edit. And the Notepad panel should appear with your recovery key. Simply copy it or write it down, or even take a picture of it. Then restart your computer and enter the recovery key in the recovery session. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.